Hello, everyone. Welcome to replacements.com. My name is Chris. I'm the watchmaker and watch expert here. Today, we are featuring a watch that we just recently received, and it's available on our website. This is a Harry Winston Avenue Ladies Quartz watch, produced around 1998. It was named after New York's prestigious Fifth Avenue. The iconic Avenue collection evokes the stylish aesthetic of the Art Deco period while incorporating design references from the house's iconic New York City Flagship Salon. This watch features an 18-karat gold case and bracelet with a row of diamonds on the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock side, as well as a diamond that is permanently mounted in the crown. The case measures 35 millimeters by 22 millimeters, and the watch will currently fit a 6-inch wrist. It comes with a Harry Winston box, and it has just arrived back to us from Harry Winston in New York after a complete service on the movement. All of our watch sales feature a 1-year warranty, and we also allow a 30-day return policy. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, Chris, at extension 2336.